Can anyone see my messages on Facebook Messenger after I block them? Let us find out. First, you want to go ahead and open Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then open any of the person's chat that you want to block. Tap on their profile. Now scroll down and tap on block. As you tap on it, you will enter to this page. The very first option is block messages and calls. When you do that, your Facebook account won't receive messages or call from the person's Facebook account. This person won't be blocked on Facebook. That means you'll be able to see their post, comments and reaction on Facebook. However, they will not be able to see your messages or they will be able to call you. The other option is to block on Facebook. That means the messages and call will also be blocked with the Facebook account. So when you block someone on Facebook Messenger, they won't be able to see your messages or message you or call you. And that's all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.